welcome back to Paul DaFox. Today's video is subscriber profile number 6, Travis McEwen, aka Lethal Venom. He's got a nasty 2004 Cobra making some really good power. He also has his own YouTube channel, so when you guys get a chance, go check out his channel. But for today, we're going to go over some specs and then have a closer look at his beast. Alright, Lethal's Cobra's 2004, build number 3514 of 3768. He's owned the car for over a year now. He acquired it in August 2020. The car has 79,600 miles on it. It makes 676 rear wheel horsepower, 640 rear wheel torque, and 19.4 pounds of boost on a 93 octane tune. It uses a 4 Innovations return fuel system, a VMP GEN3R blower, boreless stingers, Bassani catted X-pipe, stock headers, and his future plans to hold all this new power is to add a 26 spleen input shaft, McLeod clutch, and to redo the rear end with the full tilt boogie racing bushings. Lethal's Cobra is super clean, sounds nice, just a beautiful car overall. Let's have a look at it. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the subscriber profile. Big thanks to Letho for letting me showcase his beautiful Cobra. Don't forget to check out his YouTube channel when you get a chance. Otherwise, you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, smash the subscribe button. You guys know I appreciate you watching my videos, and we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.